all the action that went down on the day 3 of Lakme Fashion Week. If the first 2 days of the digital edition of Lakme Fashion Week was all about clean and conscious fashion, day 3 came in packed with heavy dose of high-octane glamour. The lineup was short but opulent presentations more than made up for it. Day 3 commenced with Farah Sanjana and Mishru's avant-garde showcase. The Farah Sanjana's collection was all about innovative construction, intricate prints, and multiple technical details. Mishru displayed its fresh take on Indian wear by giving the line a more contemporary spin. Traditional wear no longer has to be bulky to make a statement, and it was perfectly executed through this collection. Wedding season is officially upon us, and how can we have Fashion Week without a few exemplary bridal collections? JADE by Monica and Karishma and Amit Agarwal presented their latest bridal couture. Collections were reimagined considering the current pandemic and how the meaning of luxury has altered in this world of new normal. The grandeur aspect remained, but the couturers are now focusing on including heritage with modernism for a timeless feel in their garments. Along with supporting homegrown handcraft, they are also advocating the use of sustainable or recycled raw material. JADE's Couture Showcase is perfect for any upcoming destination wedding. It's modern and luxe with the perfect balance of traditionalism. Voluminous skirts paired with corset-cholis, bralettes, cropped jackets, and oversized kaftans are some of the creative offerings that stood out in their collection, making celebration more functional while keeping the style quotient intact. Amit Agarwal's presentation was a loud, festive burst of colors, construction, and grandeur. Known for his architectural sensibilities, when it comes to design, Amit didn't disappoint this time around either. The silhouettes were made out of strong fabric foundation with organic Indian chanderi and matka silk, elevated with the traditional basket weave technique. His signature exaggerated lehengas, deconstructed saris, and separates dominated the line in a bright and vivid color palette. The weightlessness brought to you by some intelligent craftsmanship was the USP of his collection.